Channel, welcome back to my hood. I look like a wet dog because I just got out the shower because we're gonna be trying something new. Okay, honestly, I tried this before in my other video. I made a video about this, but I deleted it because it was hot garbage and I was not in a good mood, and you can see it. But now I'm in a good mood. So what we're gonna be doing today is dun, 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 hair paint wax. You see that? Hold on. You see that? Boom! Hair paint wax. So we got this gray. We got this gray one. We got a red one. And we got a gold one. Last time in my video, I tried the gold one. My sister tried the red one. When I had the gold in my hair, I looked like early 2000s Justin Timberlake. So we're not doing that. Don't feel like doing red, so we're doing gray. Alright, we're gonna do gray. And we're just gonna get it started, alright? I'm not gonna use gloves because I am not a glove person. I like to feel my hair. It's like, it's in the name really. It's hair color but in wax form. And it's washable, and as y'all know, I used to dye my hair. On this channel, my hair used to be blonde, red, motherfucking it faded into like this auburn. I had black hair with purple lowlights. My hair has been a multitude of colors. But today we're going to be using this because as you can see, I cut my hair off and we're getting the natural curlage back, you dig? First of all, look at this length. Watch. You see my hair moving? That shit dope. Okay, anyways. So we're going to use this. And I'm going to use silver because that's what I want to use. And what's in my hair now, it's wet right now. And I have conditioner, shower conditioner in my head. I use the Aussie Moist, Mega Moist conditioner. Alright. And I'm going to put some gel in my head because I want this hairstyle to stay. Hopefully it doesn't like clump up. Because sometimes when I use leave-in conditioner, like Cantu or something, and I put gel in it, you could get the little white balls, and I don't like that. So we're gonna do a little test strand. I don't think it's gonna clump up on my. Is it clumping? I don't think it's clumping, but we're gonna put some gel in my head, and then we're gonna apply the little paint stuff. So while we do this, I'm gonna put on some music because I've been listening to music all day. And that's what I want to do. I've been listening to a lot of rock, so we're gonna change it. hair, and it is very, very moo-fucky gray, bitch. Okay. I don't know how the back looks because I can't see the back of my head, but I don't really care. So, I feel like this is going to take a long time to dry, so I'm going to diffuse it, and then I'm going to do my baby hairs, and then we're going to see how it's looking. You dig? Alright? Boom, clap, clap. Now I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back. Okay, my hair is not all the way dry because my hair takes forever to dry. But this is the end result. You see? Like I said, it's not all the way dry, but it is gray, as you can see. But honestly, I feel like I could add some more if I want it like to pop. You dig? Like that. Okay? But I don't feel like doing that. And I didn't want to use all the hair color. Like, there's a lot left, but I didn't want to use most of it because I'm just going to wash my hair tomorrow. But it's real cute. You dig? You dig? But yeah, I'm digging it. Do y'all like it?